It is very hard to find a true lover. It is very hard to find two lovebirds who truly love each other. Though it is very easy to recognize lovebirds, partners, girlfriend, boyfriends around you, or you are maybe in a relationship as well, but it is very hard to find true lovebirds who really loves each other. See, why I am saying this is because I have seen many couples, either girlfriend, boyfriend, or husband or wife, or maybe friends. They don't express true love to each other. They don't love each other exactly. See, to love other person, first of all, you should learn to love thyself. And one who loves thyself can only love other person. If you can't recognize your soul, if you can't recognize your own body, then how can you give love to another's body? How can you give love to another's soul if you can't give love to your own soul or body? If you abhor your body, if you abhor your soul, then no matter how superfluously you express love to others, but deep down you will always have abhorrence towards the others. And this thing is very common almost in every couple I have seen in my life till now. You, for example, you are having a car in your family. Your father knows how to drive the car. You are a naive. You don't know how to drive a car. You are just trying it. And you banged your car into the wall while learning how to drive. If you can't drive your own car, which your father is owning, then how can you drive somebody else's car? How can somebody else entrust his or her car to you? How can somebody else give his or her car to you? Now when it comes to the car, then people are very smart. They first know whether you can drive the car or not, then only they will give. But when it comes to their body, their soul, then people don't examine whether you can really make love to their soul or not. They don't do scrutiny regarding that matter. And this is utter stupidity. Though car is very distant from you, but your body is the closest matter attached to you in this world. Your body is as close to you as no two things can be that much closeness is you are having with your body, but people don't give a fuck to their body. When it comes to their car, they will scrutinize properly everything, but when it comes to their own body, they don't care at all. So if they can't care about their body, then how can they care about others body? For example, if your father is owning a car, you can't take care of that car, you can't drive that car, then how can you be able to take care of others car? How can you be able to drive others car? Similar is the case of true lovebirds, the one who loves his soul very much, the one who loves his or her body and soul very much, can never hate others' body and soul, because he or she has never known to hate his or her own body and soul. So, how can she or he hate others' soul or body? The one who don't know how to understand and make love to his or her own body and soul will always dominate others. And this happens when it comes to couples. Either wife is trying to dominate the husband, or husband is trying to dominate the wife. In fact, both are always trying to dominate others. Girlfriend is trying to dominate the boyfriend, boyfriend is trying to dominate the girlfriend. Boyfriend says, "You are mine forever." Though, no matter in what emotion he says this thing, but the fact behind this sentence is, "You are mine forever" means you are my property. You are under my control. I have your possession. Can you see the hidden dominance behind this sentence? No matter what emotion he or she attaches for his or her counterpart, but the hidden dominance element will always be there. Can you see here a true love, or can you see here a true dominance? Love is not dominance. Otherwise, we would have seen Britishers making love to the Indians, but they have dominated Indians and harassed Indians. Mughal rulers have dominated and have harassed. Dominance can never bring love, dominance can only bring harassment to others. And love will bring freedom to others. Love will free others from the shackles. Love will liberate others. This is known as love. And to make true love, first of all, one has to love his or her soul and body. Then only he or she will learn to love actually. Then only he will love others. Until and unless you can't learn to drive your father's car, then you can't drive others' car. But if you learn to drive your father's car, then you can also drive others' car. Similar is the case with the body and soul. And the true lovebirds are the one who liberates each other. In their love, you will always see liberation flowing towards each other. In their love, you will always see both are free. No one is nobody's property in them. Both are free. And that liberation will make eventually both of them the one. They will experience the oneness. This is the culmination of true love. So, no matter how your boyfriend or girlfriend is treating you, or your wife or husband is treating you, just try to understand, is he or she is dominating you or liberating you, making you free? Just scrutinize this thing about your partner. Then you will know on your own. Just try to try to see insights behind the acts, conducts, and sentences of your partner. Is he or she is really having the true love behind his or her conducts, acts, and sentences towards you, or not? Subscribe if you find this video helpful, and share this video as much as you can with your loved ones, with whom you can trust, with those who you know that they can never harm you, they will love you.